Are you struggling to rename columns after performing a group by and sum in your Pandas data frame? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you think you've got everything set up correctly, only to find that one little detail just won't cooperate. You're not the only one who has run into this problem. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, I can change the column name for the value, but not for the cell column after using group by and sum. How can I resolve this issue? Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what's happening here? When you perform a group by operation in Pandas, the resulting data frame can sometimes keep the original column names in a way that makes them tricky to rename. Understanding this behavior is key to fixing the issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with Pandas even easier. To rename the columns after performing a group by and sum in a Pandas data frame, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct syntax for renaming. In this case, the user is trying to rename both the sum column and the cell column. The user can achieve this by modifying the rename function. Instead of trying to rename cell directly in the rename method, the user should rename it after the group by operation is complete. Here's how the user can adjust their code. After the group by and aggregation, they can use the rename method to change both column names in one go. The correct code would look like this. If the user still encounters issues, they should check if the data frame is being modified correctly. It's important to ensure that the data frame is not being overwritten or altered unexpectedly. Finally, the user can print the data frame to confirm that the column names have been updated successfully. This will help verify that the changes have taken effect. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a powerful tool for data manipulation and analysis, and it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by another user involves grouping the data by a specific column and counting the occurrences. They suggest converting the result to a data frame and then renaming the column to your desired name. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using group by with as index set to false. They first calculate the number of unique sports and rename that column. Then, they gather the unique sports into a second column. Finally, they concatenate these two results, sort them, and display the top 5. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to reset the index when you're working with group by operations in Pandas. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to rename your columns successfully after a group by and sum operation. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and keep exploring the world of Pandas.